My name is Shady Gonaim, and this is my independent project number 2. This is a DC to DC converter. This converter will step up small voltage to a very high voltage that can be used in like many devices. My converter will start by current flowing from the 6-volt input to the inductor, and from that inductor to the output capacitor. But because the inductors can't have short circuit currents go through it for a long period of time, I had to make some sort of on and off mechanism that will allow the current to go through the inductor but not for too long. So I decided to use an MPN BJT and a PMP BJT so the current can bounce back and forth through the inductor. When the current goes through the inductor, energy is stored in the form of magnetic field, and from that magnetic field is passed to the capacitor, and therefore voltage increases. So here's a demonstration of my converter. I have an input of 6 volts using 4 1.5 AA batteries, and as soon as I hook it up, you can see the output on the multimeter right there. And 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I immediately the circuit immediately goes to reach 150 volts, which is a pretty high voltage. This circuit can be used in like tasers, but I decided not to increase more voltage because that would be just too dangerous to work with in a lab without proper safety equipment. There are many applications to the converter. This converter is also used in cars like the Toyota Prius. The car converts 202 volts to 500 volts from a battery for the battery to work. And it could also be used in communication application, power amplifier applications, and adaptive control applications.